Sarkis Diranian was born 1854, died 1938, was an Armenian Orientalist painter, originally from the Ottoman Empire. He was established for many years in Paris. His painting The Enchantress was exhibited in the photography studio of the Abdullah Freres in Beyoglu in 1883. And on the proceeds from its sale he went to Paris and worked in the studio of Jean-Léon Gerome. In 1889 he graduated from the Academy of Fine Arts in Paris, and until 1910 he participated in the exhibitions of the Societe des Artistes Francais in Paris. In 1892 and 1900 he won the Prize of Honor at the International Paris Exhibitions. In 1908 he held a one-person exhibition in Paris and in 1909 participated in a mixed exhibition in Munich.